Today I want to discuss reproduction in organisms. Before going to reproduction in organisms, first we need to discuss a diversity of living world. The diversity of living world are the planet of Earth having different living organisms. Every living organism passes through definite stages in their life cycle, such as birth, growth, mature, reproduction, death. Reproduction is one of the fundamental characteristics of living organisms, and reproduction is a biological process, and this reproduction it's ensure continuity of species generation after generation, and this reproduction it's continuous cycle of again birth and growth and mature and reproduce and finally death. So the reproduction in every organisms it's having different functions. The first function of reproduction, the main function of reproduction, it maintains life on the earth. So the maintenance of life on the earth because of reproduction, this is the first function of reproduction. The second function of reproduction, these reproduction enables continuity of species one generation to another generation. And the third one is these reproduction creates variation among the population. Already in first year you learned the cell cycle and cell division, meiosis 1, prophase 1 having 5 substages: leptotin, zygotin, pachytin, diplotin, diakinesis. In pachytin, crossing over can take place. During crossing over, recombinations are created. Due to recombinations, a new variations are created in the population. The new variations are created in the population because of one of the cell division, meiosis. Meiosis can take place during reproduction. And one more, several factors are affected for reproduction in living organisms. Several factors affect for reproduction in organisms, such as organisms' habitat. The second factor is internal physiology. The third one is environmental factors. These three different factors can affect the process of reproduction in organisms. In this phenomenon, the birth to natural death of an organism, it indicates a lifespan. Now we need to discuss the definition for lifespan. The period or the time from birth to natural death of any organisms is called as a lifespan. The period from birth to natural death of an organism is called as lifespan. The definition for lifespan is the period from birth to natural death of any organisms is called as lifespan. The lifespan is not constant for all living organisms. It varies from one living organisms to another living organisms. For this statement, different living organisms are having different types of lifespan. Here, the name of organisms and lifespan. Here, some of the microorganisms are having few minutes to few hours lifespan, whereas in mayfly, the lifespan is 1 day. The butterfly, the lifespan is 1 to 2 weeks. Fruit fly, the lifespan is 1 month. Rice plant, the lifespan is 4 months. The wheat plant, the lifespan is 5 months. Rose plant having 5 to 7 years lifespan. Crow lifespan is 15 years. Dog lifespan is 25 years. Banana tree lifespan is 25 years. Cow lifespan is 25 years, horse lifespan is 50 years, crocodile lifespan is 60 years. Here the elephant lifespan is 60 to 70 years, the parrot lifespan is 140 years, tortoise lifespan is 100 to 150 years, mango tree lifespan is 150 to 200 years, banyan tree lifespan is 200 to 300 years, peepal tree lifespan is 2000 to 3000 years, and one of the tallest gymnosperm, it's having the height is more than 100 meters. The name of gymnosperm is Sequoia sempervirens. It's having the lifespan is 3000 to 4000 years lifespan. This table what it says, the lifespan of an organisms, it's not constant, it varies from one living organisms to another living organism, from few minutes to thousands of years. Here there are two examples are there. Here the lifespan may be short or may be long, but finally one fine day it's going to die. And one more important characteristic feature, the lifespan is not correlated with their body size. For example, here crow, a lifespan is 15 years, parrot, a lifespan is 140 years. In these two examples, the crow and the parrot body size is same, but their lifespan is entirely different. One more example, the lifespan is not correlated with their body size. Example, mango tree, lifespan is 150 to 200 years. The peepal tree, lifespan is 2000 to 3000 years. So, the mango tree size and the peepal tree size both are same, but their lifespan is entirely different.